shade, pang highlight from so pwede siyang pang shade, pang highlight from Hello everyone, welcome to another video. This is Anna, and if you're new here, welcome to my channel. For today's video, guys, we are going to talk about this palette that just came out. It is from Ever Bilena, and this is called the EB Collection Multitask Palette. Yan. It looks like this with a box. May box pa siya, guys, ha. Hindi ko pa siya tinatanggal. This costs 299 pesos, and I heard that this is only available at Robinsons department stores. So, kung merong mga Robinsons department stores na malapit sa inyo, you better check those out. Guys, wala po siya sa ibang stores. Available lang po siya, exclusive po siya sa Robinsons department store nga. So, hindi ko alam kung lang beses ko sinabing word na department store, pero you get the point. So, ayun. Guys, open na natin siya. No, basa mo na to. Limited edition compact that can be used for shading, highlighting, and defining brows, and the contours of the face. So, pwede siyang pang shade, pang highlight, pang eyeshadow, pang brows, even, at pang contour ng mukha. So, let's check this out. Ito na yung mga ingredients niya, guys. So, hindi na natin babasahin yan kasi aabutin tayo ng forever. Shanan! Oh! Ayan siya. It looks pretty, no? But it's not heavy. Alam mong hindi siya mamahaling palette, you know? It's parang may kamukha siyang palette ng Maybelline. Hindi ko lang maalala kung ano. So, the palette looks like this, guys. Ayan. I was thinking this is the highlight. This is the setting powder. All of these are eyeshadows. These are for the contour or the brows. I don't know, maybe you can use that for both. And this is the blush. So, we have the orange tone blush on this palette, guys, ha? So, I'm gonna give you swatches, and at the same time, magme-makeup din tayo. Paglaruan natin tong palette na to. Alright, so swatches muna tayo, guys. Let's start with the so yung malalaking pans, like ito. Start tayo sa highlights, sa setting, sa contour, and sa blush. That's what you get from the big pans, guys. Okay, guys, so eyeshadows. Let's start from the top to the bottom. Ayan. Yung eyeshadows. So, in fairness naman, guys, hindi naman siya ganun ka-powdery, no? And, nakikita naman natin, yung pigmentation is there. Maganda yung color niya, but let's try it further, no? Lalo natin siyang i-test. Nakita niyo na yung swatches, and ayan na nga siya, guys. Ngayon, try natin mag-makeup using this palette. So, naglagay na ako ng brows. Yan, nag-pre-brows na ako kasi aabutin tayo ng forever pag hindi na ako nag-brows. So, nakalimutan natin to kasi pasaway ang buhok ko. Hindi pa naman ako nag-set. Wala pa akong concealer. Magko-conceal lang tayo ng konting-konti. Ayan lang. Sorry guys, ha. Nakaharap kasi sa akin yung screen ng camera ko. So, may tendency talaga na tinitingnan ko ng tinitingnan yung sarili ko. Sorry na. Sinadya ko talagang wag mag-concealer, guys, kasi meron kasing setting powder dito. Kaya sabi ko, gagamitin ko siya to set. And let's see. Nag-foundation ako, but very light lang. Ginamit ko yung True Match ng L'Oreal. So, next, we are going to set this with this. Next, contour. Kasi meron silang contour dito. Magko-contour tayo. Ito, gamitin natin ito pang contour. Medyo sobrang dark niya, guys, no? Parang ang dark niya. Parang nakakatakot siyang gamitin. So, konti lang siguro. Nga pala, guys, yung palette na to, wala siyang mirror. Wala siyang salamin. So, make sure you have your mirror with you. And brushes, of course, kasi wala siyang applicator. So, ayun na nga. Naglagay tayo ng konti. Hala. Okay, sobrang dark niya. Okay. Ayan. Sobrang konti lang, guys, ang nilagay ko. Promise, ganun. Ayan, oh. Tapos, meron pa siyang extra dito sa kamay ko. Ito siya. So, it just shows na pigmented siya. Pigmentation is there. Let's see how it blends. Blend natin siya. Para sa akin, medyo masyado siyang dark. Para pang contour sa akin, ha, sa skin tone ko. Parang pwede natin siyang bawasan. Confident. Dun sa ilalagay nyo kung gano'ng karami. Kasi, ayan guys, a little goes a long way. Talagang ang konti-konti lang ng pagpat ko ng ganon. Ayan na siya. So, it's very pigmented, guys, yung contour shade. Kaya kailangan medyo maingat tayo sa paglagay. Kasi pag hindi mo yan binblend, tingnan mo, mukha siyang pasa. Bakit ganun? Medyo mahirap siyang i-blend, guys. Or, let me try another brush. Gamitin natin tong medyo mas dense na brush. Baka mas okay siya. Ayan. Medyo umayos nga. Gamitin natin yung highlight. Tapos magba-blush tayo. Or mag-blush na lang muna tayo bago tayo mag-highlight. Ang gulo kong kausap. Sorry, guys. Sabaw is real. Yan. Gamitin ko tong blush na medyo orangey. Orangey. Ba't may buhok? Pat ko lang siya dito, guys. Ayun yung kulay niya. Kasi natatakot akong magmukhang clown. Tapos, dito lang. Uy, I like this color. Maganda yung kulay ng blush na to, guys. Diba? Lakas maka-fresh. I like this. Tsaka okay din yung pigment niya, guys. Tingnan nyo. Tayo natin sa kabila. I like this blush. The highlight. Yung medyo bronzy highlight nila. Ito. Parang wala. Dagdagan natin. Ayun. Hindi siya yung glittered. Na parang ang daming glitter ng mukha mo. Ang ganda, oh. Ano natin dito? Ayan, tip of the nose. Ayoko maglagay ng sobrang dami. I just want to keep it simple. Nagamit na natin yung highlight. So, let's move on sa eyeshadows. For sure, guys, I'm not gonna use all these shadows, no? Ang dami kasi niya. So, maybe I'll start with this. And then this. And then this. And maybe a bit of this. Yeah. So, mag-experiment tayo today. It's okay kasi hindi siya ganun ka powdery. Kasi ako, guys, nahahatching ako pag sobrang powdery ng eyeshadow ko. So, So, wala na akong ginawa, kundi humatching ng humatching. Kaya medyo ayoko ng ganong powder. So, ayan, parang ilagay ko sa brush ko. So, bawasan natin. And, ito muna yung gagawin kong base. Excuse me. So, next color is this one, which is also an orange, pero medyo mas darker siya dun sa una nating ginamit. I'm going to use the same brush kasi hindi naman sila nagkakalayo ng kulay. Oops, medyo powder ito siya, guys. Medyo powder itong pangalawang color. Ayan, bawasan natin siya. And ilalagay lang din natin siya dun sa taas ng sa crease. And then we'll just take a smaller brush and let's use this color. Is it magenta or maroon? Magenta. Ba magenta? Gamitin natin siya. Guys, so far so good. Okay itong eyeshadow na to, no? I like it. Wala akong naging problema sa kanya. Yung quality niya, guys, yung totoo, nung eyeshadow na to, it's like a NYX eyeshadow. Kasi may NYX ako na eyeshadow na ganitong-ganitong pigmentation. Ganitong-ganito din yung lapat. So, I just took a clean brush. Linis-linisin ko lang. It looks really nice. Ang ganda niya talaga. Next, I'm going to take this color. I'm not sure na kung ito or ito. Na-confuse na lola nyo. I think I'm just going to take this one. This one. Yan. And gamitin ko lang yung kamay ko. Just going to put it here. Ayan. Super nice, guys. Ang ganda ng eyeshadow na to. Just to think na 299 pesos lang siya, guys. And you can use it para sa contour, highlight. At ang ganda ng kulay niya. Yung mga tones na nandito. Super like. I like it so much. Ayan. It's very nice. Good job, Ever Bilena. Ang ganda. Oh, well, ayan. Meron na siya dito. So, let's put a little bit there. Ito, and ito, i-mix natin siya together. Guys, wala kasing name yung mga shades niya. If there's one thing about this palette, or two things na cons for me, hindi ko gusto yung walang name yung shades kasi nalilito akong i-explain sa inyo, but it's not a big deal, no? Pag sa totoong buhay, hindi na siya big deal kasi pipili ka lang naman talaga ng kulay na gusto mo. Hindi mo na kailangan ng name ng shades. And the other thing is wala siyang mirror, so hindi mo siya magagamit as is na ganyan. And wala din siyang applicator. So, there's three things that I don't like, but not really I don't really hate, but I don't like. Ayan. Wow! I like this. I like this palette so much. Ang ganda niya. Okay. So, ayan yung eyes natin. And, I figured, kunin ko na din tong shade na to. Ito. iha-highlight ko siya sa brow bone ko. But, hindi naman ganun kagrabe guys. Konti lang. Ayan lang. Just to give it a little shine. Ayan. Ang pangit ng sugat ko dyan. Never mind guys ha. Ayan. Oh my God! Ang ganda naman ng palette na to. Oh, I like it. Okay. So, that's the whole eyeshadow thing na ginawa natin. No? Ginamit natin yung highlighter, setting powder, contour, blush, and 4 of the eyeshadows. Or 5. Kasama na yung highlight sa brow bone natin. So, I think it's a very nice eyeshadow. Ang ganda niya. Well, guys, I'm just going to finish this look. Maglalagay ako ng lashes and I will put lipstick on and let's see the final look pag naayos na talaga siya. So guys, this is the look that we have made from this palette, the Ever Bilena Multitask Palette. And guys, alam nyo, I really like this palette. I swear, kasi for 299 pesos, you can get everything that you need. Like, you have a contour, meron ka ng, meron ka ng blush. I really like the blush. Meron ka na ding highlighter, may setting powder, meron ka mga eyeshadows, warm colored eyeshadows. Well, I didn't use this one. It's kind of a cool tone eyeshadow. Pero, you can choose, guys, kasi nandun na lahat. Just bring your own mirror and brushes and you are good to go. Kasi sobrang ganda niya, guys. It's not really powdery. Hindi siya super powdery. Well, some colors are like powdery but not much like the Ever Bilena Chocolate Palette na medyo powdery talaga yung powders niya. This is a level up for Ever Bilena. I really like this palette. I like the quality of this one. And I hope you buy this kasi limited edition lang siya. Well, it's not sponsored by I hope you buy this one kasi it's perfect for students or yung mga nagtitipid. Like, hindi ka mahilig sa masyadong maraming makeup or high-end makeups. This one is for you guys. So, I hope you get this one habang meron pa. Just go to the nearest Robinson's department store near you. So guys, thank you for watching this video. I hope you like this one. I hope you leave me a like. And please don't forget to subscribe. Of course, there's the red subscribe button down there. Just click subscribe and click the notification bell. There's a bell there na you can click kung gusto mong ma-notified if I have new videos coming up. So, thank you very much for watching, guys. I hope you made it this far. Have a great week ahead. I love you all.